Hey guys, it's Viv, and for today's video, I'm here with Melody, and we are shooting this on the same day as we shot our last video. So if you're wondering why this looks strangely familiar, that is why. But for today's video, it is officially our first Friday video, and like I mentioned in my previous video, today we are going to be showing you how to make this really adorable satin prom dress for your American Girl doll. I love the way this turned out, and it's actually super simple to do. I think this dress only took me about maybe 2 hours to make, and that's because I had to film in between. So if you're gonna do this in one shot, I would say it probably wouldn't take you more than 2 hours, maybe even like an hour and a half, depending on your sewing skills. But this project is pretty beginner friendly. All you really have to do is work with rectangles, gathering, and just a little bit of lining and sewing like one curve. So it's pretty simple, super easy to do, and makes for a really adorable dress. So if you're interested in knowing how to make a prom dress for your American Girl doll, just keep on watching. To construct the bodice of my dress, I am using the bralette pattern, which is linked in the description box down below. The instructions for sewing the bralette are listed on the pattern, and I'm just following those, except I'm not attaching the cuffs to the band just yet. Like mentioned on the pattern, go ahead and take the band and sew it into a tube and then flip it right sides out. For the skirt, cut a long rectangle the desired length of your skirt by at least 24 inches. You can increase this measurement if you want a fuller skirt, or you can decrease it if you want a more fitted skirt. Sew 2 lines of basting stitches along the top of the rectangle and use these to gather the skirt by pulling the bobbin thread and pushing the fabric along as you go. I explain this more in my halter dress tutorial, which you can watch by clicking the card in the top right hand corner or the link in the description box down below. Gather the rectangle until it fits the waistband, and then go ahead and sew the waistband to the skirt. Okay, sorry about the sudden lighting changing. I did this on 2 separate days. But anyways, what you want to do is try the skirt onto your doll and then pin the cups in place and sew them on once you are happy with the placement. Then you can go ahead and attach the straps to the dress. Go ahead and hem the bottom of the skirt. I did this by only folding in the bottom hem once because I cut it on the selvage so it wouldn't fray, but if you need to, do a rolled hem or finish the edge with a zigzag stitch. To close up the back of the skirt, take one side of the skirt and fold it over just a little bit as if you were doing a hem. Then place it on top of the other side of the skirt, pin it into place, and top stitch it down. Do this about 2/3 of the way up the back seam, and then on the rest of the dress, go ahead and hem one side of the dress, which is the part that overlaps, and clean finish the other side. Then for closures, you can either sew in Velcro, or you can do what I did and add snaps instead, and then you are done. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos like this and other American Girl doll sewing tutorials, outfit videos, hairstyle videos, and more. And if you have any suggestions from what type of videos you want to see on my channel, like more prom videos or other sewing tutorials, you can let me know in the comment section down below as well, because I would love to be able to make videos that you guys want to see. So yeah, thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you next time for another one. Bye!